In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with monday.com. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the document you want to connect with monday.com and click Edit to open it in the Jotform Sign editor. At the top of the page, click the Settings tab, then select Integrations from the left sidebar. Use the search bar to find monday.com and select it from the list. Choose Create Item as the action, then click Next. Enter your monday.com API key and click Authenticate. If you don't have your API key yet, you can find it in your monday.com account under Developer Settings. After the connection is established, choose the board where you want new items to be created, then select the appropriate group. Next, map your Jotform Sign fields to the corresponding monday.com columns. For example, map the signer's name to the name column and other form fields to the matching board columns. If you want changes made to a submission to update the existing item automatically, enable the option to update the record when a submission is edited. Once you've finished configuring everything, click Save to complete the integration. From now on, whenever a Jotform Sign document is completed, a new item will be created automatically in your selected monday.com board. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with monday.com. Thanks for watching.